Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So in this lesson we're going to update the main menu script so it can use a GUI skin just as we've done for the options. Luckily we can copy and paste a lot of code from the options menu script, so I have that open as well as the main menu, but we're actually going to start in the game manager script and we're going to copy the variable for the options font size, and I'm sure you've guessed we're just going to change this to main menu font size. And we'll come down to the update settings. Again, we can copy the line for the options font size and we'll change this to the main menu. So let's just have a look. Main menu font size. And I'll keep the equation the same. Obviously you can experiment with the numeric values. And we'll save that off there. And we'll come now to the main menu script. So as I said, we can copy a lot of code from the options menu, which is good because I really want to get this finished and move on to other things within the game. So this will be fairly quick to implement. I'll begin by copying the variable to assign the GUI skin. And you can put this anywhere you like, and then just change the variable name. I'm going to use main menu skin. So let's have a look here. We need to copy the void awake. And we're going to copy all of it. So let's just select that entire function. And we'll paste that in to the main menu. I'm just going to put it above the void start. So as you can see, we have a number of red errors. So we're just going to select our new naming convention for the skin and we're going to paste that in everywhere there's a red error, and also switch out the comment also. So this is just a case of working down through the function So let's have a look. We will need to change some of the other naming conventions. So we'll just come to resources and we'll create our skin. So there we go. And again, main menu skin will be fine for a naming convention. And let's paste that into the resources.load. So let's switch it out here as well. So that is the skin. Should now load. The font should be the same. Actually, I'm just going to come back to the options menu here. Shouldn't need the extra brackets. So here, if option skin does not equal temp skin, I'm just going to remove the brackets. And for all these temp variables, I'm going to remove the brackets as well. So let's just quickly tidy everything up in the options. I'll just hit save. And we'll come and we'll do the same in the main menu script now. So let's just go through, and I'm going to remove all the brackets for the temp, around the temp variables. So let's have a look. The font is easy because we're using the same font, so we don't need to make any changes there. Same for the alignment. I'm just going to break the line up for commenting though. And we're going to use the same button and the button hover. So let's just go through. I'm just going to change and tidy up the comments as I just go through. And I'm just going to save that off there, and I'm just going to have a little check. I don't think I've missed any, but probably have somewhere. I'll probably catch the odd comment, but I think that's actually fine for now. So let's come back to the options menu. So we'll come to the void options window. And we're going to copy the GUI.skin equals option skin. Now with the main menu, we can put it in the onGUI function. And it is important where these go. Sorry, I've just knocked my controller. So make sure you've put these lines in the same place as I have. So this is coming after this if block. And let's come back to the options menu, and we're going to copy the lines for the font size, text color and hover text color. Let's just paste those in, And again, we're going to swap out the naming conventions. And I'll just go through and replace all those with the errors. Options font size should be obviously main menu font size now. So let's have a look. And I'm just checking the comments as I tidied them up. That should be absolutely fine. Let's save that off. We'll downsize Visual Studio and we'll hit play. So we'll just let it run through. Example of GUI I still need to do. So here we have the main menu skin. So here's the options, they now match. And as I say, these colour choices are just for testing. I'm not going to keep them, but I've just used these because you can see the difference clearly in the video. I do realise that some of you may be watching it on smaller screens, so I hope that if you are, this makes it easier for you. So that is our GUI updated for now. We still have a lot of work to do on the options menu. We still have a lot of work to do with the AI and other things in game. So I was actually thinking of moving off and doing some of the more in-game coding and coming back to the options at a later date, but that's just my thoughts for now. Obviously, if you prefer that I did things in a different way, please let me know in the comments below. But we'll leave it here for this video. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope to see you next time. And until then, as always, bye for now.